How to create questions for Facebook group. Want to filter who joins your Facebook group? Let's add custom questions. First, unlock your phone and open Facebook. Once you are inside, go to Menu, then Groups. Tap on the group you manage. On the group homepage, tap the setting icon in the top right. Scroll down and find Group Settings. Give that a tap. Scroll again and find Membership Questions under Manage Membership. Tap it. You can add up to 3 questions. Tap Add Question, choose Written Answer, Multiple Choice or check boxes. Type your question, hit Save and repeat up to 3 times. Once done, tap the back arrow and your questions are live. Pro tip: ask fun or useful questions like why you want to join and what topic are you interested in. It helps build the right community. And that's how you screen members like a boss. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.